Did you know the human body is made up of more cells than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? Yes, the body is a complex, miraculous machine composed of trillions of cells, each with its own function and purpose. These cells, the smallest units of life, are incredibly diverse. Some are long and thin, like nerve cells, while others are more rounded, like blood cells. Despite their differences, each cell shares common features such as a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a cell membrane, forming the foundation of life as we know it. Now imagine cells as bricks. Just like how bricks come together to build a house, cells with similar functions and structures group together to form tissues. There are 4 main types of tissues in the body. Epithelial tissue forms the body's covering and lining. Connective tissue provides support and structure. Muscle tissue is responsible for movement, and nervous tissue controls communication and coordination. Just as bricks form walls and walls form rooms, tissues come together to form organs. Each organ, whether it be the heart pumping blood or the lungs breathing air, is a marvel of cooperative effort, with different tissues working in harmony to perform specific functions. As we zoom out further, we see that organs don't work in isolation. They form part of larger organ systems, each with a specific role in the body's function. For example, the circulatory system, consisting of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, works together with the respiratory system, made up of the lungs and airways, to deliver oxygen to the body's cells. At the grandest scale, the body maintains a delicate balance, a process known as homeostasis. Through this process, the body regulates factors such as temperature, pH, and nutrient levels, ensuring optimal conditions for cellular function. Structural support for all these intricate systems comes from the skeleton. Made up of bones connected by joints and supported by ligaments and muscles, the skeleton is the body's framework, protecting organs and tissues. The muscles attached to the skeleton are responsible for movement, providing the force needed to move body parts. There are 3 types of muscles: skeletal, which are voluntary muscles attached to bones; smooth, which are involuntary muscles found in organs; and cardiac, the involuntary muscles that keep the heart beating. The conductor of this symphony of systems is the nervous system. It controls and coordinates body activities through the transmission of electrical signals. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, and plays a critical role in sensory perception, movement, and coordination. The endocrine system, another key player, regulates various bodily functions through the secretion of hormones. These hormones, secreted by glands such as the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands, act as chemical messengers, influencing processes such as metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Last but not least, the body's defense force, the immune system, fends off foreign invaders like bacteria, viruses, and parasites while maintaining tolerance to the body's own cells. All these systems working together make up the wonder that is the human body. But there's so much more to explore within each of these categories. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the fascinating world of the human body, starting with the building blocks of life, the cells. Stay tuned.